Are you an expert in a particular subject or skill? Then, online tutoring and teaching might be the perfect opportunity for you to make money online. With the rise of remote learning and online education, there is a huge demand for qualified tutors and teachers. You can offer your services through various online platforms such as Chegg, TutorMe, or VIPKid. You can teach anything from academic subjects to music, art, or even fitness classes. The possibilities are endless. To get started, you will need a computer, webcam, and a stable internet connection. You can set your own schedule and work from anywhere in the world. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of helping students achieve their goals and make a positive impact on their lives. So, if you have a passion for teaching and want to make money online tutoring and teaching are definitely worth exploring.